Hey guys, I messed up. I messed up my first video. Uh, Quitting job was real. Following my game day was real. All my life events was real. But I played it safe. Before recording a video, I sat down. I wrote the entire script. I memorized the script, sentence by sentence, and I delivered it like it was a client's presentation. I realized it after 2 days of uploading the video when I watched it on the YouTube, and I was like, this is not me. This is not the real me, right? I am usually a guy who would speak out his heart. I would not. I would not follow any script. Whatever is right is right. Whatever is wrong for me. No matter with whom I speak. And if it was my friends or colleagues, I would have been spoken freely and chilled out. Right? But that video, that particular me was totally different, and it was bothering me a lot. That there was a guilt. So from this video onwards, I am not writing any script. I'll just have a structured bullet points, and I will refer to it, and I'll just speak out whatever I feel like at that very moment. It was very disappointing that I had to write a script for my life events, which happened in my life. I think I did that out of fear of how people will judge me, because I'm quitting my job, doing something that I love, and people might judge that he's quitting his job, but he's not able to speak up properly. Right? I think I had that fear. Also, from childhood, we have been told that we should follow a certain rules. You should follow this, or else people will assume stuffs about you. People will talk about you. Right? I think for me now, it really doesn't matter what people think about me. I don't want to live a life where I'm controlled by someone. I want to speak up what I feel is good, and I would continue doing that. Now, from this video onwards, I'm not going to stick to script like I said earlier, and it'll take time. I might not pronounce words correctly. I might fumble a bit, but that's the journey of a content creator. And and this is the start for me. I realized it very early. Just uploading one video, I realized something went wrong, and I'm trying to correct it now from this video onwards. So it might take some time, but eventually I want to get there. Now you guys tell me one thing. When you guys saw the title, I messed up. I am 100% sure every one of you would have thought I messed up because I quit my job. Right? I think you guys thought I'm regretting that I'm quitting my job. Right? That's not the case. I still stand by my decision. I messed up only the video part, not the entire thing. Right? It's been a week. I've quit my job, and I am healing from inside. I've did multiple things in this 1 week. Right? Before I'm like 1 week before quitting the job, I had noted down 10-20 things in my notepad as to what I have to do right after quitting the job, and I've done a lot of things. Right? That's for the next video. Next video is going to be about a week on how I spent my my entire 24 hours. So subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.